Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm here with the Max, and we're on our way to Jolly's. As you would have known, Max is born in the month of October. So on Saturday it was her birthday, and she was actually not in town. She was out of town for a bit. So she's currently back. She was in Rios, and now she's back in full force. And we're headed to Jolly's. Now we're headed on the toll booth. We're not spending become a storage or screen from my phone, but nonetheless we're here and we're out and bad, out and stunting. Guys, see you when we're there. Oh my gosh. Guys, so this is an old vlog. However, I'm uploading all of my old vlogs this month into the early part of next month. So stay tuned. You know, while I catch up, and as you know, I'm trying to see if I'm gonna do vlogmas this year, but you know what I'm saying, guys. If it is that you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the squad. I've got to tell ya. I hope you guys are staying safe in this pandemic, and just keep watching and click that like button and comment down below. I've got to tell you guys, I'm really excited to start back up again, guys. So just subscribe and enjoy the journey. Yeah. Guys, so we've arrived and we're coming out soon. Just keeping you guys posted. Let's see when we go inside, and we've ordered. Guys, so here's Max coming out. Yay. So guys, we're here and we're about to, we've ordered already, and I'm just waiting on the orders to come. Guys, I can't forget to carry my tripod. Oh my gosh. I mean, you want to talk to Max about something like I want to come up bang now, but that's what you have to stay tuned for. Today is which day, Max? Max, today is which day?
Thursday.
Just Thursday of this week, guys. Max is done still, but guys, Max is still wrapping her birthday here. Max, tell him who installed it for you.
Good and sweet. Pull up now still. After all of the fun weekend gone, it's after pull up.
Guys, I'm gonna insert a picture with her from the pictures. She was laid and slayed. So guys, come back to you guys. We're gonna have the food actually present because I'm not hungry. I'm just not too long eat, but because of Max I'm here, so why not? So it's Jolly's. We're at Jolly's today and we are excited. See you guys soon. Come. What's that drive, man? What's that drive, man?
You know I'm be like us.
Hey, so you've gotten the food. My food has just arrived, as well as Max's food. She started to eat. I've not started to eat as yet, so I gotta go right now, guys, because I'm not really hungry, but let's see if we can go, we can try for the one. I was, but I don't feel full now. I still have much food. You know, so I tell you something full, you know, so something different that. Guys, I soon come. all of this food, guys, directly across from Yes Man. So this is my meal. Oh my gosh, guys, you should come to Jolly. It's like, oh, it's a jolly good time. Oh my gosh. This is Max's. This is Max. Put it on his oars. And and that is Max's fish. Guys, me, boss, right there, so I've hardly eaten, but I ate prior to coming. A chill Thursday night. Max is devouring her fish. Guys, we boss. We boss. Once I have Max fish done, I'm not Max not going to eat after our fish, but she boss, guys. Me couldn't even get past right there, so you just see me can't move. I'm supposed to know.
I don't know about the food then.
So actually, before I came tonight, I had eaten 2 cheese patties, a cocoa bread, and a bun and cheese, all at the same time. The can't laugh, my belly full. Guys, get me come. They're not gonna hear you.
I jerk chicken pasta and lasagna today.
So Max,
I wasn't so hungry either, but can't wait, I can take it home.
so Max is saying that she ordered jerk chicken pasta today.
No, I was treated for lunch.
She was treated. Never compete with the music, but I never can hear me. But yes, guys, no man. Neither one of us knew. The Thursday night, we have to look, right, Max? Side, Mary J. Blige. I tell them just want to relax. Too strong for too long, baby. Guys, I don't know if you can see us, but we're actually leaving. I wrap up my guys, I can't even talk to my belly full like my one belch. I'm not gonna belch on camera, so see you when we're on the road back home. Okay? I have church Saturday, so probably guys see me on Saturday morning. Again, coming on the Friday, right, Max?
I don't know. I know we're going apart from school.
Apart from school, so I probably am gonna look Saturday to see me again. So guys, see you when I see you. I'm probably gonna feed bush a morning. Let's see, I probably start the morning got the feel and show you how the things them look. Guys, see you then on the way back home. Alright. This one is for the vlog. So yes guys, this is the birthday girl and she looks absolutely out and stunting. Hi guys, I don't know if you're able to hear me. Good night. But we are out. I'm such a bad YouTuber right now. Now vlog, but it's Gadisha's birthday. Chanel is here as well, but you're hungry. Oh my god. And Chanel says she can't be hungry. It's stressed out. So guys, what other food are we doing? Soup come. Max? Max, oh, I can't bother to food, but it's a name, guys.
Max, my Max. I can't believe that.
I didn't leave her out.
I can't believe that.
Guys, Max did her hair though.
some of it today?
Guys, a nice chill Thursday evening. Right, Anisha? A nice chill Thursday evening. Mark? Alright. Guys, we just get food and if you can hear me, but we just get food. So we're gonna grab because we still have to leave. But yeah guys, it's about it. So come. Guys, so we're good night again. We're still here. We're currently leaving because I forget somewhere else and the curfew time I come up, so we have to leave. So until the next clip, guys. See you then and there. Gadisha, tell them good night.
Good night, I'm out.
Chanel, go down too. Chanel is out. Out. Out.